This is my first time coming to the market this early, so I'm gonna vlog, especially now that it's Christmas time. I'm gonna capture some footage of what the market looks like. We're at the clothes section now, and then we're just gonna walk over to the food part. So, on this side, oh, there's plants. I just got a ring from the market. This one here and this one, which is really cute. Got it right here from this stand at the market. I'm looking for a plant for my KK. She requested that she wanted some plants, easy to grow plants. So, oh, that's not good. Okay. So I'm in the market looking for something for her. I just realized that the 24th is Tuesday. Today is today's what? Today's the 21st. So I'm looking for something that we need it on the 24th of this month. So I need to get her something for the 24th of this month. And she requested that she wanted some Bath and Body Works. She wanted some house plants that's easy to grow, and then also like a little plant stuff. So that's the first time I'm looking for. Here, oh, that's so pretty. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. Yes. This one right here? How much is that? 12. Okay. I think so too.
That go inside too, right?
And it's easy to grow?
Yes. Well, I want that at least spot on it, like
I want a cute too, but I love this one. Which one are you like out of this one?
I like that one, I get that one.
Yeah, I think I like this one. Make it hold it for me. I pay for it. I'm making hold it for me right now. I just got her one. I'm gonna wait and see if I could find some more up the road. But that one is so cute. Should get one for myself too. So we're approaching the food side of the market. So mostly food and so forth you're gonna find here. You might find 1 or 2 people selling clothes as well. People are selling juice. Oh, there's another plant spot here again. Oh.
How are these, mint? These are mint?
Mint for $5, that's not bad. Rosemary.
How much are the rosemary? How much are the rosemary?
Love this. This is really nice. And I like this too. We don't have this at Grenada, remember? We had this one at Grenada. This is really nice. What's that one?
That is nice. That's the one I should buy if I want to.
No, I don't have this. How much is $1 coconut? The market looking festive, boy. I want to get some stuff, but I'm still waiting a little bit. So I'm just gonna get I want to get some like potatoes, cabbage, onions, sweet peppers, and so forth. But I'm just gonna wait a little because I'm gonna have to come back down this side again. So I'm just waiting until I go through the whole market and get what I want to get first, and then I'll come back down this side and get something. We have fruits, grapes. Usually affordable. I'm not sure how much it went up to now, but the grapes, I think you could get a nice size bag for like $15, $20. It is Christmas time now, so I'm not too sure as to how they you see my eyes, oh my gosh. I'm sure as to how they're probably raising the prices now since it's Christmas time, but usually it is affordable. The market is filled with people, like, look at the market. Oh, there's my dad. Hi, Daddy. Here. Thank you. Fish. I didn't go inside of the market there.
Yeah, I know. I will never cook. Morning.
Sorry, morning. So I meet over this side as well.
I know.
We have honey. So potatoes are like going for $3 a pound right now. This is my first time coming out in the market and seeing it so full. And it's like I just feel the Christmas vibe because I keep seeing people and so forth, so it just gives me that nice vibe. And I get excited all over again because I still can't believe I did not know that Christmas was actually this Tuesday coming. Literally. Well, it's Wednesday coming. Wow. They also have like some plates and stuff for out here. Some of the bathtubs going on here on the market. Glasses, if you want wine glasses and so forth. More food. Food. I'm gonna take a quick stop in the market to go get my nail supplies. I'm gonna do my co-worker's nail today, so I have to go in there. I also have to buy more stuff for my KK. She likes Bath and Body Works stuff, so I'm gonna get some lotion for her as well. And here. So this is the nail little spot here. So I came to the market by this herbalist and I got these. It's good for fibers. So I have those. And she said I should drink, take 2 liters of water and boil it in there and then drink it for 3 days, 3 times a day. So let's try it. There's more to the market than just the outside, guys. So once you come inside, you're gonna see more. It has more options as well. You know, they said that if you drink the papaya seed, it is really good. Like, it takes away those parasites and so forth. So we made it out to the end of the market. So we're now in front of the terminal. And then there is another side to the market. So we're gonna head over that side now. They don't have much like the other side that we just came out of, but they have some stuff as well. So we're gonna head over there now to check that side out. Got some dukuna without meat, so it's for 75 cents for one here in the market. Got a Bath and Body Works for myself. The pancake, I love this scent. I got these 2 plants for my KK. I hope that she really loves them because it's so cute. Sorry, it's really So you have this little thing to the thing that grew up on the side. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness, I love it. Hey guys, so we're heading back down to the bus now. We had a good time. I hope that you guys enjoyed my little vlog. Thank you guys for watching and don't forget to follow. See you in my next video.